fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello lovely, welcome to my channel. My name is Elele. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my moi moi using plantain leaf to wrap it. This is what I call party style moi moi. If you make this moi moi and share to people to enjoy in a party, oh god, I tell you, people will be scrambling for more because this is so delicious. So if you want to know or see how I make this moi moi, please continue to watch. Let's get cooking right away, guys. To start off, I've already washed my beans by peeling off the skin of the beans, and now I've transferred my beans into my blender. Guys, in case if you don't know how to peel off the beans so fast, let me know. I can make a very short video on how I do that. So moving on now, I've just added my scotch bonnet, and also I'm going to be adding red bell pepper and onions, and then I'm going ahead to blend my beans to a very smooth paste. After blending my beans into a smooth paste, I'm going ahead now to prepare my pots to cook my moi moi. So now I'm going to be mixing my paste. I just added some stock. Guys, I'm using turkey stock. Preferably I prefer to use chicken stock, but anyway guys, that's what I have now, so I'm using what I have. You can use any stock of your choice. Okay, I'm also going to be adding some fish. I'm using mackerel fish, smoked mackerel fish, that's what I'm using. I'll stir my paste now to make sure that it's properly mixed up. Now I'm going to be adding just a little bit of oil. I dissolved my bouillon cube inside this oil, so I'll mix everything up together by stirring, making sure that it's properly combined. I just added my crayfish now, and then I will gently stir everything up together again, making sure that it's properly combined together. Once that is done, I'm going to test for salt. I probably won't be needing any salt because my stock, of course I boiled my turkey with some salt and also bouillon cubes. So, and also bearing in mind that my mackerel fish is also salty. So moving on to the next stage right now. So this is the tricky part. I just want to show you how I prep my leaf. First of all, I have to remove the stem. It's carefully done. If you're not careful, you might end up tearing your leaf. And guys, you know, this leaf, they don't come cheap at all. Yeah, they don't, at least for us here. So you have to be very careful. And once that is done, I add 2 leaves together. Guys, I prefer to use the outer part of the leaf though when I'm wrapping my moi moi. And don't forget that you have to wash your leaf with little bit of salt and warm water. I washed it like 3 times. Okay, so guys, I just remembered, and I thought I should mention that, otherwise you end up with sandy moi moi. So now I'm going to scoop some paste into the leaf. I'll keep repeating this process until the whole paste is finished, or maybe until I run out of some moi moi leaf. Yes, this happens sometimes. Sometimes when I'm making moi moi to wrap it with leaf, I sometimes run out of moi moi leaf. So guess what I do? I just transfer it into another bowl and cover it and put in the freezer. And anytime I want to use it, I want to use that paste, it still comes out so fresh. So no stress at all. If this has happened to you, let us know at the comment section below and tell us how you handled it. If you don't know what to do, now you know. Good thing I didn't run out of moi moi leaf. I made sure I bought extra, so which is more than enough. So now it's all done, guys. So the next thing, I will have to add hot water that I've already boiled in my kettle to start cooking right away. Ready to start cooking it. It will be ready in the next 1 hour. Meanwhile, I will use the leftover of the leaves I have, because I told you guys I have more than enough this time. I'm going to use it to cover the top of the moi moi. This process also helps to enhance and add more flavor to the moi moi. And also, when I'm doing this, it also helps it to steam better. So guys, my moi moi is ready now. If you've watched this video to this point, that means you really enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video, and also leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. All right, and I am also going to be leaving the description of the ingredients and the quantity that I use in the description box below. In case if you want to try it out, you can always go there and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys next time on my next video. Bye.